Alright, one of these sealed plastic Japanese lamps. This actually is stamped MEPM, so I'm guessing it's Mercury Electric Products Manufacturing. So this might be an American-made lamp? Who knows? It's got Canadian certifications on it too, so it's UL and CSA certified. Yeah, just like the last time I did one of these, the two screws here did not split this. It's glued up. So I think I'm going to decide whether or not I want to work on opening this up or just abandon it. The wire was rotten, so it's got to get opened up if it's going to get reused, but usually when I try to open these they get broken. I've managed that one that was on the channel, but this is a plain black one, so I think I'm just going to actually abandon this and not worry about rewiring this lamp. We'll just get the motor on the machine, and that will be that.